You just walk right up that shit.
Yeah.
That was pretty dope. I was like, look at it go. I didn't even know that was gonna happen. I got roosted on that one.
Yeah.
No, you don't like it way out there?
We moved in and flooded a few minutes later.
Oh!
I got flooded in my garage.
Wheel through a lot of that flood.
We were living there.
Nice.
Not recent.
No, I like it. Hit the skinny pedal.
Well, the brain, she runs on the freaking. Dude, they wore out when she runs. You got it?
Oh. So we've gotten about probably halfway through the course. Comes through all those rocks, down through the creek, back around here. Buck's gonna take over the controls of the red Jeep and finish out the last, it's probably less than half the course, but this way I can work the camera more. It'll be more awesome. And they can, this is how you make a crossbred teeth scales. A little bit of open trail area. This what open trail lets you free up the trail clog a little bit. Gives you some areas that are easier to get back to if you need to take a potty break. And then we get down to the back to the creek. So I don't know if I've told anybody this, but Flat Rock is a park that's here in Santa Rosa that is not, I don't know if it's not finished or whatever, but it's technically part of the trail system that's out here. And because of how the bike trails and the walking paths all cut through all this stuff, they've made this section an official park. So you can come out here, picnic or whatever, but it's kind of like you're out in the woods in the middle of the city, because like there's neighborhoods on all sides of us, and we're just minutes from downtown Santa Rosa. And once in a while, there's, you know, bum encampments, people living in tents out in the woods, but for the most part, we get Flat Rock to ourselves. Look, there's Freddie. Hi, Freddie. Hello. You didn't know, Rich Dog used to be a big-time YouTuber and make all sorts of sweet videos. Now he just takes clips on his phone and they never see the light of day. Well, that was Burrow, Roots. Anthony with the sideline. There you go, back up a little bit more. There you go. Oh, there, you got it. You got it, you got it, you got it, you got it. So skill. Oh! The classic goat rig. It almost was upside down, I think. It was like past 90 degrees. Right there, straight, you got it. Yep. Yep. Nice. It'll clear. Yep. Nice. Okay. Oh, my head's ruining the shot. You can just stand in the water when you wear ultras. It's cool. And miss the shot because you're showing your feet. I think you're all right though. It'll drive up it. Yep. 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 Oh! Where did that hole come from? Passenger, passenger, passenger. There you go. Oh, it's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. Under the bridge and around. A little bridge adjustment. Look at the beds full of water. That's great. So cool. So we ran the course. It was a good time. 40 Gates of Freedom for the October 2nd Sunday. More peoples. We got the parking area. Everybody's chilling. We've had a couple hours of fun and I'm gonna wrap her up. But that is another second Sunday for I think year number 6 or 7. I'm not even sure. There's so many second Sundays we've done. Flat Rock's over. I ride my bike down to the Flat Rock picture. You see your son. We'll go loading up the bridges. Good work, team. Because as they say, the teamwork makes the dream work. I'm gonna use Ricky as the screenshot for the video, so all the ladies click on it. Around. Cheers to that. It's technically not my birthday.
I know, but
it's next week. Thanks.
Put that on there, all right?
40 Gates of Freedom. We'll drink to that.